What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. The background looks a little different today because we are actually in San Francisco. By the time you guys already see this, I will already be here, but I really wanted to go ahead and film a little intro for you guys because I realized that I did not film an intro. Spencer and I are coming, or we're here in San Francisco for his little birthday slash graduation celebration, so that's what this vacation is for. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the vlog from this trip. Besties, it's that moment that I have literally been waiting for. It is May 4th and the last time I got my nails done was March, end of March, so they look like this right now. Let me just give you guys a, this is the current state. It's Saturday, which means I leave for my vacation in 1 week. I am so excited, you guys. All day at work I was in a great mood because I thought, wow, this is my last Saturday I have to work until I'm on vacation from 1 week today. I just got home from work. I changed into this cute little comfy cozy outfit so we can go get our nails done. The nail place that I go to is right up the street from my house, so love them. They slay every single time. So let's go get our nails done. They're from American Eagle. I have on Aritzia little shorts and my Uggs, and my room is a mess. A pre-cleaning before vacation feels, you know? Okay, let's go. Guys, we made it. We're here. Time to go get some new nails because these are not crispy. Hi. Alright, you guys, we are done and out from the nails. I'm obsessed. Well, let it focus. Come on now. Some pictures. Oh, so cute. Okay, let's go home and we're gonna start cleaning our room. We come shopping and he already found something and it slays. Turn around, turn around. Cuteness. Yeah, that fits good. Okay. That's like the perfect size for you. Guys, look at this massive suitcase on sale. Which is a 4-day trip. Wait, I need you to show them for me. Okay. Sorry.
Guys, look at Suzette. And now look at the suitcase.
Oh, that's as big as it goes? Is this big enough for a 4-day trip?
It's ridiculous. Redonkulous.
Alright, I don't get it.
That's for like a month trip. Like that's for like
this one. This is a micro one. This is like a overnighter bag.
Half a day trip.
Half a day trip. Alright, besties, the moment we have been waiting for, which is actually packing for this trip. I just got off work. It is Friday, May 10th, and I put on some comfy clothes because the last thing I want to do right now, honestly, is pack. I am exhausted, but I am so happy and I'm proud of myself because last night I laid out everything on top of my suitcase and now all I have to do is like fold it and put it in, really. So everything's already picked out, which saves me a bunch of time right now and a bunch of time because like I wanted to film this as well. So let's just dive in and see everything that I'm going to be packing and bringing with me for this trip. Bringing this purse. This is my little Prada re-edition. The next thing I have is this amazing toiletry bag from Bagsmart. I am obsessed with like how large it is. It has so many like different components. It has so much room. It is so spacious. Makeup wipes, deodorant, what is this, little lip mask. There's even like this little compartment here. I put all like hair ties, bobby pins, clips in here. My little slick back brush, my styling cream, the perfume I'm taking, and then I got this yesterday. This is Downy Wrinkle Releaser, so like it unwrinkles your clothes, and I have a couple of like really sensitive fabric pieces, so hopefully this will work. I'm packing this hat. This is my just traditional black and white baseball hat. I'm packing these. They are from Orca Beauty. They're little sticky bras. You guys, I have tried like a couple different ones. These ones are so good. A little travel jewelry case. I love it. You guys see? Super cute. In this little, I don't know what this zipper compartment, I put all of my undergarments, so my bras, underwear, socks, my 2 belts, and then my 2 heat tools for my hair. They fit like perfectly in here, so I'm gonna like leave them in there. Tomorrow we're waking up at like 5 in the morning. Our flight isn't until like 9:20. But by the time we drive to the airport, and like we need to be there early because the boarding time and everything, so it's gonna be like an early chilly morning. I think I'm gonna wear these sweatpants. These are from H&M. They are so cute, you guys. I have the matching gray hoodie. This is like really thin and lightweight. This is my purse I'm bringing with me for like the majority of the trip. I only brought the small like Prada bag if I needed it, so I don't have to carry this thing. But I love this bag. This is from New Bella. It is so cute. I love the shape and the color, and it has a zipper. And I feel like most bags like this I haven't seen have a zipper. All that I have left to go into the bags are, like I said, my makeup and then my electronics, but I'm gonna be like editing this tonight. So tomorrow morning, everything will go in. I'm gonna leave my bag here. All right, you guys, that is everything. We are ready to pretty much go. I just need to add like my wallet into that bag and like switch out a couple stuff. My snacks are in the purse too. I'm gonna charge all of like my electronic stuff, and then tonight we're gonna do an everything shower, have a little skincare, self-care moment, go to bed and get ready for the morning. All right, you guys, we are post everything shower. That was like probably the quickest version of that I've ever done in my life. I'm gonna be so honest with you guys, I am exhausted. Like, I had such a early morning for work, and then I had a very busy but great day at work. I am beyond tired, and like I know when I'm so tired I start to kind of have like this little headache, and that's what's kind of like forming. So I feel great knowing I'm just gonna get ready for bed and go to sleep because I have an early morning tomorrow for the flight. But let's just do a little skincare together. I washed my face in the shower with my little face wash, so I'm gonna wash my hands and then do like my serums and moisturizer. I'm gonna use this Advanced Repair Serum. I feel like my skin needs a bunch of hydration, so I'm gonna apply it on my hands. While that sets into my skin, I'm gonna use my little cute bedazzled grande lash. I started to use this up again, and within like a couple weeks you just see results. It's just so good. I'm obsessed with this from Peach and Lily. It's their glass skin serum. I'm so running low. It does like exactly what it says it's supposed to do. Recently just got this sent to me, and it is so hydrating. Oh my gosh. It smells incredible as well. Here's the finished skin, nice and hydrated and plump. We are ready to finish up any last minute little packing. I think I'm like switching up a couple things in like outfits because I'm trying to like, I don't know. I'm a girl, I think of different outfits and it's just a little trip. So I'm gonna finalize some things and then get ready to go to bed.